the end. This is the end.
The fitness thing here, you see?
Yeah.
It's nice from here actually, Freddie. I don't think so. Tshiaba is so cute.
It's working.
Let's go around on the beach.
It looked like some Marxist photos.
Pedal city.
Yeah. Do you want to climb the dune?
Yeah, we'll go. It might be more tiresome than I anticipated.
Uh-huh.
We may go deep in the sand where the sand goes into our shoes.
Not supposed to go there. It's Adinkerke. You don't see this? There's a...
Prikkeldraad, hè?
I'm not sure whether you can climb up or not. See someone up there.
You want to try it?
I can try, but I don't think it's... Sorry.
I've been filming a bit.
Should we go down? That way? That way?
Here's
Looks steep. It looks steep for me. It's like skiing.
I filmed the grasses in the wind for a short one, like an 11 second one.
I can see. Actually, you have the sun.
Maybe that's better.
Yes.
We're in the Panne.
Yes.
We're at the beach and we just had some amazing lunch.
Yes.
Now we're gonna walk on the beach.